Hey everybody, we're out here at the farm. We got a couple holes dug for our 4x4 post. That's about 2 feet deep. I don't know if you guys can see all the way in there, but that's about 2 feet. It's a deep hole. So we did 2 successful holes so far, and we have to do 2 more over here. So this hole is actually going to be about 3 feet, but we're only going to dig 2 feet into the ground over here, and then we're going to add a foot of soil just to balance it out, because you can see that there's an elevation difference right here. So we're just about done. We're gonna have our post up here very shortly. And today we got the wood marked. So we're gonna cut this side down to, it's a 16-foot post. We cut it down to about 14 feet. And this other side, we're gonna cut down probably, let's see, because we're about 11 inches over. As you can see, there's like an elevation gap difference. So we'll probably cut it maybe 2 feet 11, and then the post should be able to fit in there pretty good. Or actually, no, we'll probably cut it at 1 foot and 1 inches. I think that'd probably make more sense. And then we'll have a little bit more to go into the ground, so then when we add that extra soil, everything will be even on both sides. And that's basically it for today. So when you're doing this type of work, you want to make sure that you have different types of tools, because one thing I noticed is as you get deeper into 2 feet, it's harder to get the soil out. So if you have different tools like a pointed shovel, spade, you know, all that helps. But I was using my hand for a little bit. So yeah, this is like for a hole digger. So this tool helps, and the spade helps, and then the pickaxe. These are like the best tools that you'll need for this. We had an auger that we were using, but we ended up putting it up. So we'll have another video out here soon. We're just about done. All right, everyone. Thanks for attending our brief showcase of all the progress we've been making so far. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining us.